Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello, and welcome to my channel, Easy English with us. In this second part, we'll explore more words and their examples. So, ready? Let's go! Part 2. Time and days vocabulary. Telling the time. What time is it? What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Say it with me. It's 1 o'clock. Maybe it's time for lunch, or maybe time for more learning. Let's say it again, with energy. It's 1 o'clock. Half past 2. Say it with me. Half past 2. Half past 2. That's half an hour after 2 o'clock. Like saying 2.5. Quarter past 3. Quarter past 3. Repeat after me. Quarter past 3. One more time. Quarter past 3. Quarter to 4. Quarter to 4. One more time. Quarter to 4. 10 past 5. Say it with me. 10 past 5. 10 past 5. 20 to 6. Repeat after me. 20 to 6. 20 to 6. 20 to 6. Second. Say it with me. Second. Second, it's fast. 1, 2, 3. 1 second, 2 seconds. Say it quickly. Second. Second. Minute. 1 hour has 60 minutes. Tick-tock, the minutes are moving. Say it with me. Minute. 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 Hour. One more time. Hour. Hour. There are 24 hours in one day. Let's say it again. Hour. What is a day? It's the time when the sun is up. From morning to evening. This is your day. Every day is a new chance to learn, grow, and smile. So today, let's make it a great day for English. Say it again with good energy. Day. 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 week, week. A week has 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way to Sunday. Say it with me. Week, week. Month. A month has about 30 days. It's longer than a week, but full of chances to practice. Say it with me. Month, month. Year, year. A year has 12 months. That's January, February, March, all the way to December. One more time. Year, year. Useful time phrases. Yesterday. Say it with me. Yesterday, yesterday. Yesterday is gone. It's in the past. Maybe it was a good day, maybe not, but that's okay. Today. Say it with me. Today, today. What does today mean? It means right now, this day, not yesterday, not tomorrow, but today. Tomorrow. Repeat after me. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is not here yet. It's the next day. A new day, a fresh start, new goals. Every day. Say it with me. Every day. One more time. Every day. Every day. Next week. Next week. Repeat after me. Next week. Let's learn something important today. When you talk about time, you don't always use the same word. Sometimes you say in, sometimes at, and sometimes on. But why? Let's make it simple and fun. We use in when we would talk about parts of the day or longer periods. For example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Imagine this. The day is like a box, and the morning is inside the box. So we say, in the morning. Say it with me. In the morning. In the morning. In the morning. We use at when we talk about specific times or points, like this. At night, at 7 o'clock, at midnight. Why? Because night is not a part of the day. It's just one moment when the day ends. So we say, at night. At night. At night. We use on for days and dates. For example, on Monday, on Saturday, on my birthday. Say it with me. On Monday. On Monday. On Monday. Example sentences. Let me give you an example. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I wake up at 7 o'clock. It's the perfect start to a brand new day. Say it with me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. We have a meeting at noon, right in the middle of the day. Let's say it together. We have a meeting at noon. We have a meeting at noon. We have a meeting at noon. My birthday is next month. Say it with me. My birthday is next month. My birthday is next month. I go to the gym every Friday. It keeps me healthy and full of energy. Let's say it together. I go to the gym every Friday. I go to the gym every Friday. I go to the gym every Friday. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the bell, and give it a like if you enjoyed the video. See you soon!